This is lesson 98, number 14. It's one of those show problems, so it wants me to show that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side of this equation. So I don't have my formula sheet, so I looked in the back of my book and got these formulas right here. Cosine of 2x is equal to cosine squared x minus sine squared x. There's a couple different things I can choose. So, and I'm pretty sure the thing would work no matter which one I choose, but when I look back over here, I see that my denominator is going to be 2 sine x cosine x. And so I want the right hand side to maybe look like that, because cotangent is cosine over sine and tangent is sine over cosine. So I chose the top one because it had both a cosine and a sine in it, and I thought maybe, I mean, look, it's got a cosine, it's got a sine, it's got a minus sign in between it, so that's why I happened to choose this first choice. And then I took them over here and I swapped everything out. The 2 that's in front of cosine 2x cancels out. Sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cosine x. I actually didn't notice the 2's canceled out. I already did the problem and I was like, I lost one of my 2's, so that's why it looks all messy. But anyway, if you rewrite that as two different fractions, write cosine squared x over sine x cosine x right here, then one of the cosines will cancel out, right? And do the same thing with this half of the fraction. Write sine squared x over sine x cosine x. The sine x's will cancel out, and you'll end up with something that looks like this. I got confused about my 2's, but there it is. And it is all done. That's all.